Hey guys, this is Tanctics. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I haven't been around for years. I stopped doing the Yu-Gi-Oh card stuff, and I just moved on. A lot of things have happened since then. A new career, out of college, things like that. But I figured it's a good time to come back and maybe start opening up some Yu-Gi-Oh stuff again. Not as much as I used to, especially because things are so expensive now. I can't believe it, and there's like a shortage of everything, trading card wise, and I guess everything else in the world. And I figured I would try to make a video, and then I'm gonna make a couple more with some more openings. And what I want to do is I want to not really keep the collection, so I want to sell them to you guys, or I want to give them away. So we want to do something like that moving forward. I have some fun little competitions like we used to, and then something new that I'm going to start doing is learning new decks. So that'll be up to you guys to tell me which deck you would like me to learn. There will be like a list, and then you just tell me, hey, you do this deck, and you get to see me struggle and fail on the deck because I'm not very good at playing the game, but it'll just be something fun to do. But I figured for the first video, I'm going to go ahead and just open something. So I found this this Maximum Gold Dorado. I know that this pack came out like a year ago or so, so it's a little outdated, but it's the only thing I could find. So just one thing, again, I'm pretty green at this stuff. What I mean by that is I'm pretty newbie now with all this stuff, so I don't know all the cards anymore, so I apologize in advance. But please like and comment and subscribe so I can keep on making more videos for you. So let's get opening. Got this cool little knife here. Open this thing up. This is the first pack I'm opening up in years. I'm not going to be as fast as I used to because, you know, I'm older now and a little bit less experience for opening stuff like this. This thing right here, man, I can't believe how expensive this was. Now, it does come with about 28 cards, I think, so that's pretty good. Let's see what it says. It's about... Yeah, it says each box will include 4 Maximum Gold Dorado packs with 7 cards each, so 7 times 4 is 28. Each card has 2 Premium Gold rares and 5 Gold Letter rares. That's just pretty cool. Alright, I got that part open. Alright, look how fancy this is. I might be able to get a whole box of this one of these days, but not for a bit, because I actually have something else we're going to do moving forward. Alright, so I said, how much did you say it was? Let's see. 4 max, oh, like 7, yes, yeah. So we have 4 packs. 4 Maximum Gold packs. So I got a new camera here, so let's hope it works out well. As I see that there's a little bit of shadow, sorry about that. Alright, see if I can know how to open this crap. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got it. Alright. I'm just going to throw that over there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got number C1 Numeron Chaos Gate Sanya. I don't know where they come up with these names. That's a pretty cool card. I have no idea what it does, but it looks cool. There's that. Next, we get a number 9 Dyson Spear. Cool, I'm going to move these packs. These packs are in the way. Alright. What is this? I can't read it. Elderixer of Scarlet something. I don't know. You guys know. You guys probably like saying you should know how to read. I guess I don't know how to read. Ooh, what's this? The Weaver Painter Snow. I got that right. No, I'm sorry. The weather. I'm sorry. It's very glary on my side. The Weather Painter Snow. Okay, that card. Ooh, look at that. I know this one. Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon. That's so cool. I like how the rares look. Those look really awesome. And then we got the Phantom Knight of Silent Boots. And then finally, is this just a rare card? I don't know. I don't know if this is like different nowadays, but this one has like gold lettering, but it's like common like looking. But it's Dragoonity Knight Romulus, I guess. So there's that. That's the first pack. That was kind of fun. First time I got one of those link summoning. I learned about link summoning a couple days ago, and I thought That was a pretty cool idea. I think it's better than when the pendulum summoning thing came out. When they had the pendulum summoning thing, it's kind of when I stopped. I'm like, ugh, more to learn. I just learned how to do the XE stuff. Alright, let's see here. Alright, next pack. Alright, so we got Prank Kid Pranks. Very hip. And with it, yep, I'm old. We got my Majesty's Fiend. That's pretty cool. The Weather Snowy Canvas. Let's see some sort of deck thing. I don't know about. Ooh, number 2 Numeron Gate. Is that DVE? It's cool. So we got some more number cards. That's hip. Ooh, Sky Striker Ace Rose with a Z. Ooh, what is this thing? This is Invoked Machaba. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. I like the way, like, the stars look weird. I don't know if that's a misprint or if that's supposed to be like that, but that looks awesome. And then finally, we have this Prank Kids Pandemonium. I'm getting a little better at reading here. I'm in finance, so words aren't so good. Numbers, better. Alright, let's see here. Alright, let's see what these Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I like these cards. They're really nice looking. They're pretty. Okay, so next card here is Ancient Gear Fusion. That's cool. Micro Coder. I think it's that Coder deck. I don't know. I don't know nothing. Ooh, look at that. Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Bear. I know this card's good. I remember it. The Phantom Knight of Breaksword. What is this? Let's see. Oh. Hey, look, I got another Red Eyes Darkness Melodrama. This card must be very common because I got another one. But it looks like this one is printed right. We're gonna take a look at that. We're definitely gonna take a look at that at the end because I swear to God the other one looks like it's a misprint. Prank Kid Battle Butler, and then we have this card here, the Weather Painter's Ring. All right, that's 3 packs. And the final pack of El Dorado. You guys can let me know if they are like misprinted. I'm just not sure. Number C1 Numeron Chaos Gate. I think I got the card the first time, so we got a duplicate there. Hot Rod Dragon Archfiend Abyss. Pretty hip. Invocation. That card looks cool. I really like these. I really like the gold rares. Those are so cool. Hot Red Dragon Archfiend King Calamity. Ooh, what's this thing? Baby Saurus. Baby, I don't know. I give up. Another the Code Talker. Isn't this supposed to be a good card? I don't know. It looks good. And then the final card that we get, Code Talker Inverted. Alright, so I'm going to take these cards. I need to look because I swear to God, sorry if you don't believe in God, but I swear to God one of them looks like a misprint. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, there. Okay. Alright, so doesn't this look weird? Like, or is that normal? I don't have actually a one to kind of, I guess I could just compare it with one of these. Like, it's definitely, I don't know, they're all messed up. Huh. Is that messed up? I don't know. But that one's definitely messed up. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so there's all my cards there. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be putting some of these cards out to be sold. If you want to win some cards, give me some ideas here and we'll get you to win some cards. Anyways, thank you for listening and watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you.